Today, I have decided to give myself a task, a very serious but unusual task. I have decided to pick any clothes that does not look flattering on my body from my closet and style it. And just style it, because why do you own it if I can't style it? Why do I own it if I can't style it? And today, this is the start of the show. I'm going to try to make her eat. I'm going to style her. Style her up or style her down. However, we're just going to style it and make it something we can actually wear out. First of all, let's put it on my body. It doesn't look flattering, but you're going to be the judge of that. Okay, but wait, but now that it's actually on my body, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
It's not that serious. Trust me, I know.
If I style it, it could come out something really exciting, but at least I could do this. Okay, but anyway, let's just style it down. Do you think, wait, I'm thinking a corset or a belt first. So let me show you guys my options. Okay, you guys, so I do have this black corset that I could just, if I want to keep it all black, I do have this black one that I could just go like this, or if I want to break it off, I could also use the blue one. But I don't know if this is I do have 3 belt options that I want to use. This one is called Shira. This one is how this is looking so far. I do kind of like it, but I don't know if it's speaking to me. Let me just show you guys the other belts just for this one. I call Ketra, but I do have one more, and this is Sylvia. Let's see how I don't know, should I go with Sylvia? This one is speaking to me. Trust me, a simple belt can elevate your world. A simple belt can just change everything, because look at this now. I mean, look from this to this. For my shoes, I have decided to not think so much about it and just go with this black one. Okay, so this outfit is coming out so well, just how I want it to, but so far so good. This is how it's looking and I'm loving it. But we are not done yet, so let's accessorize and see what's left. Okay, for my necklace, I'm gonna be doing this pearl necklace. It could also wear it like this, or just tie it here like this, but that is not what I'm going for today. And voila. I think this is it. What do you guys think?
Go and ask your grandfather.
I also have this coat that I want to add to this outfit because I think it would eat this outfit. Like, come on! Ooh, money! So I think this is pretty much the outfit, but for my purse, let's get me a purse or a bag or whatever, and let's just see the final look. But so far so good. I'm loving it. This is the bag. Just gonna do it like this. I swear to God, I love this outfit. Oh my God, I didn't even know it could come out like this. Like, I could also hold it like this. Wait, let me stand up. Can you guys see? I could hold it like this. The back. Yeah, the final outfit, and I love it. I love how it turned out. I love everything. I love my coat, and I love everything, you guys. Love it. I could actually wear this to a date. I could actually wear this to a first date. And that'll be all for today. So if you really enjoyed this video, I mean, if you stayed up to this point, why not go ahead and follow me? Really do like it with the glasses, but also without the glasses. Hey, I can always switch, and also without the... This is cute. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. What? Oh, this is my outfit. I mean, subscribe. support me, show me some love, subscribe. All right, guys, I'll be ending this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, I love this outfit.